got original 1968 Chevrolet Camaro. I mean, not Camaro, Corvette. Ooh, I am wore out this morning. 68 Corvette, original AM/FM stereo radio, and we've done a full Aurora Design conversion in it. Cleaned it up, repolished the glass, had some little scratches in it, and now it's got AM/FM stereo, 4 channels out, 45 watts a channel. It's got a pre-out on it if you want to add a sub. It has an auxiliary in, which is automatic, means you can plug anything into it. This is your harness. Put your auxiliary in here. This comes in a bracket, or you mount it in a round hole. USB port. This is your USB port. This will charge your phones and play a thumb drive, which comes with it with this video on it and music. Push button operated. It also has Bluetooth, hand-free phone calls. Voice command, voice assistance, fully loaded. It's fully loaded. It also will seek and scan stations for you. And that's something new. We like it. Right now you're on FM, stereo. You got your original stereo light and background light.
Be confident that I don't think he can throw
little times. Take control of your wife to 8 weeks, but can you clearance Dr.
Of course, you switch it to the slider bar still works. AM radio. Switch it back.
Yes.
FM.
Skip and Amy on.
Treble and bass like you've always had.
Country on the planet. Everybody is just sorry.
Hey, I'm Brett Elder.
You also still have your built-in balance. Right side, left side. First thing I'm going to show you, we got all presets working and everything. We'll show you how to put it in the scanning mode. Let's back it up a little bit, let it scan a few stations.
So I think there's a couple of really important
all you do is take your toner knob,
lots of women
your tuning knob, boy I messed up this morning,
in which they
and turn it twice up.
To recognize scanning for stations.
Now it's going to start scanning without the needle moving.
The Kenny Smooth Morning Show on 92Q.
I'm going to show you how to lock on a station and actually even find it if you want to preset it and save it. Say you like that station there, all you do is take your tuner knob and turn it once.
Station hold.
She'll lock right on it. Or, right after she says that, if you start turning it, it'll go quiet till you find it, pull out a preset and you got it. It'll do this on AM and FM. That's pretty cool. Alright, we're going to do an auxiliary in for you. You'll get a male-to-male cord in the package, looks like this. All you do is pull it out and plug it in. You can put satellite radio, CD changers, anything you want to on your auxiliary in, as long as it's a head that puts out noise. Plug it in and just turn it on. Automatically switches over.
Darling, you send me.
When you get ready to go back to radio, all you do is take your device, whatever you got plugged into it, and just turn it off. In 20 seconds, the radio will go back to where you had it set automatically. If you want to shorten that 20 seconds, you just go ahead and shut it off and back on. Turn it back off and on. It remembers where you're at because it is AM/FM. It will do it even on AM radio. Alright, we're back to where we're at. That's how your auxiliary in works. Next thing we're going to do the initial pair up on the phone. And all you got to do is pair it up once. And it will take multiple devices. It'll always choose number one for pairing up. Alright, we're going to bring our phone up, make sure we're on Bluetooth. We are. We're going to hold this button down and pair up. Now this button also works with a knob. And I'm going to demonstrate. Let's pair it up. We're going to let our elbows out. We're going to hold this button down.
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Showed up on our phone. All we got to do is tap on it.
Pairing completed. Bluetooth connected.
That really works. It's 91% on Rotten Tomatoes. Also,
now what we're going to do is we're going to do a voice command. You have a built-in mic right behind this push button right here. I find them to work very well. You also get an extra mic if you need to get it closer to you. This might be a convertible, I don't know.
Get the Discovery It card, and
we're going to bring our phone up. There's two ways of doing it here. Hold this down, bring your series up on your phone and tell it what to do, or you can do it with the volume knob. Let's do it with the volume knob. Up twice.
We work hard at being healthier.
Play music. You want music on my phone? Let's go over here and let's watch it. If we want to change our songs, there's two ways of doing it. We can push this to advance.
Darling, you
Or we can take the tuning knob and turn it up once. Like that. That'll advance it. Back up. We can go either way. Just like that. Go up, go back. Now that's how you do your advancing of your songs. My phone's messing up. There it goes. My phone has been dropped too many times. Come on, phone. Act like you're supposed to. There we go. Advance. Back up. Now we took the volume control, went up twice to summarize the phone up. We can also do it with this. Phone call comes in. You turn your tuner up one click, or press this once to answer the call and talk. When you're done, you can let it hang up. It'll go right back doing what you had it doing. Or you can end the call by hitting this twice or turn the tuning knob back. Let's go back to radio by using the push button. Hold it down. Stop music. So you can tell your phone anything a smartphone's capable of doing. You can tell it. Call home, look up a restaurant, whatever you want to. That's how your Bluetooth and all work. And you notice that we're lit up. That means we're logged on. So when we shut it down and we turn it back on, she'll come on and say Bluetooth connected. Let's do that. Let's shut it off. Here we go.
Bluetooth connected.
That's how that works. Now we're going to do the USB. A lot of people like to hide these. You ain't going to need it being out and open unless you want to, because you can operate it all from this or here. We're going to stick this in. It's going to go straight to it. Advance the music the same way. Turn it up, back. Press the button once to advance, twice to back up or repeat. Now if we want to, we can use the volume knob to put it in pause or this. Let's go to pause by holding this down 1 second. In pause, right back to radio. It'll cycle back around. We can do the same thing by bringing it up by holding it down 1 second.
Against the Hampton
Or We can actually take the volume knob. We went up for Bluetooth. Let's go down for USB. 1, 2, right back to USB. So the only time you got to pull this out if you want to change it or charge your phone, your devices.
Do you remember when it was night, September? Love was changing the mind.
Good sounding radio, strong. I don't know how many speakers you're going to use. Most vets have got 2 in the front. You might have some in the back. Built-in balance, fully loaded, cleaned up, ready to go. I appreciate you letting me do it for you. Thank you.